Hello everyone, I'm Solar and this is Solar 3D Studio channel. This lecture is about how to simulate and see the effect of shell edge pressure on a cylindrical shell in Abaqus. So this is the result of the simulation, and you could expand this beginner guide to more advanced type of simulation if you want. And at the beginning, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, because your support is a must for our channel. So let's move to the simulation part. Okay, let's start the simulation. We usually start with creating the model database, and then we always use standard explicit model. So the first module is part, and let's just create our part, cylinder, which is a 3D modeling space, deformable, but I'm going to use shell shape type instead of solid type, and extrusion, and 200 approximate size is okay in this case. So let's just create a circle based on our problem. Dimension is 35, rate, and it could be 100. Great. Okay, let's move to the property. Let's add elastic modulus. Okay, 210 E3, 0.33. As always, I always mention it, and please do it for each simulation you are doing, even if you're practicing a simulation that you're mastering it. Do not forget to use real names, name everything instead of using default things, and it could be very beneficial for you when you came back to your simulations. If you're a loyal follower to my channel, you should understand the importance of this thing, because I always repeat it in my tutorials to use real names. Okay. Section, steel, shell, homogeneous. I'm gonna use one steel. Great. Let's assign it. Okay, let's move to assembly. Import our cylinder. So let's move to step. We are going to use an static general solver, and I don't want to change anything for default attributes of the software, but you could change it based on the tutorials I have made about this section, and based on your preference and your application and your simulation you're following. Okay, so let's move to load. We have an encaster at the bottom. Okay, this is encaster, and also I want to apply a shell edge load. Rate for about 150, I think, could show us the effect of this pressure, but you could use different kind of magnitude based on your problem and your applications. Okay, great. This is a pressure, and you could change it to tensile type force. No problem. Let's go to the mesh. I think 3 is good, sure. And let's just assign the mesh. Okay, let's move to the job, and I will come back with the results as soon as the simulation finished. Okay. simulation just finished. Let's check the result. Cool. You can see the effect of the shell edge pressure on the geometry of this shell. You could have even some kind of animations. Great. I hope this tutorial helps you. You could expand this tutorial, which is a simple tutorial. This is a beginner guide, but you could expand this to more advanced type. And do not forget, as always, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and like this video. Your support is a must for our channel. Thank you so much. Share your thoughts and comments with me. I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you so much.